Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's
So today we are going to be checking out some short hair transformations. First up, we see someone with long waist length hair. Wow, that is a lot of hair to cut off. Stylist does a big chop here into a bob. Going shorter and doing a pixie. Oh, she looks phenomenal with the short hair. And then we have another long to short. So my guess is that she's probably going to get a bob. She's got her boyfriend blazer on and the dark nails. I feel like her whole look is definitely giving like fall season. And the stylist does a chic shoulder length lob here, aka a longer bob, beautiful fresh center part down the middle. So cute. I love her style. Next up, we have another big chop. So the stylist placed the hair in ponytails, and it looks like she's going super short here. Oh, she's doing like a bixie haircut. Or a longer pixie. This is cute. I love how volumized this is too. Like, she still has a lot of hair that you can play around with when it comes to styling. So pretty. So next up, looks like we have a cut refresh. So the stylist is just kind of cleaning up that bob, giving it more shape. Nice curtain bangs there to frame out the bob. This, of course, is a very popular TikTok trend, or just trend in general. So cute and fun. So let me know in the comments below, which of these hairstyles would you rock yourself? Here we have someone else doing a bit of a chop. Oh, she is going quite short, probably getting a pixie here. Ooh, absolutely stunning. She has quite a bit of texture going there at the top as well. It looks like she also got some color done. So here we have another pixie transformation. Getting the relaxer done and more of a cut. And beautiful classic Pixie. So we have like a styling video here. So she has a bob and the stylist is showing us a different way that you can rock it out. You know, you get kind of bored with the same old, so he is adding some waves with the wand and really creating that nice tousled shape. Very cute. I really like her top. That is really nice. I've never seen a cropped like denim top like that before. All right, so here we have someone, looks like she is getting a big chop here because she starts off with a ponytail. And then we already saw that she ends up getting a bob. Nice tousled curls. So here we have another bob transformation. So she's getting more of like the old money style bob here with a blowout. Volume for days. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. I really like her color too. It's like a really pretty sandy blonde hue. And then we have another bob transformation. I think we have another bob transformation. So the stylist adds in some bangs. Oh yeah, definitely a bob. It looks like he's doing like the French girl style. Oh. Oh my goodness, I love this. It's kind of a unique shape too. Like it is just so cute. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.